No? Come on, motherfucker! Hello guys! So, we had a lot of fun on the shooting range, but now it's time for cleaning. Let's check it. Oh. Oh my god. I have an idea. Hello, Mateusz? So, yeah, sorry, but I have a very urgent meeting, okay? Can you help me? Yeah, I need a help with Beretta, okay? Yeah, thank you, I appreciate it. Thanks, bye. So guys, remember, as a CEO, the most important thing is to good management. Take care.
Okay, guys. Thomas got a very important meeting, so I need to replace him. And we need to clean this Beretta. This is M9, I suppose. Yeah. A meeting. All right. Okay, we're gonna clean it anyway. I'm gonna take some gloves. And we're gonna move on with this piece of dirty weapon. Okay, so it's empty and we need to disassemble it. So we got a spring, barrel and slide. We don't need a magazine. First of all, we're gonna use the bore foam for the barrel. We do it at first. Oh yeah, here we got this. Yeah, we're gonna take it out. Oh, come on. Yeah, and we're gonna use the bore foam at first because it needs to work for a few minutes. We need to shake it a little bit. And we put the tube inside the barrel. And here we go. All right, we got it here and here, and we put that away. That needs to work for a few minutes to dissolve copper and lead, and of course the gunpowder residue. So let's put it away for now, and we're gonna take care of the rest of the barrel with the gun cleaner. So let's start here. We just put the tube in and spray the dirt out. With the highest pressure and strong ingredients, we can use it like a power washer. And we don't need to use the brush because, as you can see, all the dirt is just going out of the weapon. Slides. And that's it. Now, let's move on with the slide. And again, we just spray all the dirt out. We're gonna clean the firing pin channel like this. We put the tube in and spray everything out. Also, we need to look here. You need to look under the extractor and spray the dirt out. And the slides, those rails, and that's it. Spring, just spray it out. And here on the threads, we also need to clean. And that's it. Now, the foam inside the barrel need to work for a few minutes more, so we can take this time to preserve all weapons. As you can see, after the gun cleaner, it's got some stains like this. That's only for vaporizing the gun cleaner, but they're gonna disappear in a moment when I use the gun cleaner with Teflon. We're gonna spray it all over the weapon, so that preserves a weapon, and it's gonna give it a beautiful look in the end. So we spray it all over every part. For places like this, where it's hard to reach, we can use the tube. We don't need to use it much. Just put it on every part. And that's it. Slide. And also the firing pin channel, like with the gun cleaner. And that's it. Spring. And that's it. Simple, easy, fast and efficient. Of course, there's too much of the curse spray, so we can use our gunker towel and dry it a little bit inside. Of course, we can't reach every place with the gunker towel, so we can use compressor and we spray the gunker with the curse spray out, because gun needs to be dry inside. Of course, the process of lubrication it's a different part, and we're gonna do it in a moment. Firing pin channel also should be dry, so we dry it out like this. And with the towel, it's ready. Spring. And that's it. We need to wait a few minutes more for barrel, so let's see in a minute. Okay, now we want to spray out the rest of the foam that worked for like 10 minutes, and we're gonna spray it out with the gun cleaner, so let's move on. Of course, inside and outside, we just spray it. Simple and easy. Also clean the thread. And we can use gunker towel to make it dry. That's it. Chamber, spray it, and also gunker towel. It's not very dirty. As you can see, it's clean. Now we're gonna use our bore snake to clean the barrel inside. We can take that disposable parts away, and we use our bore snake. Our bore snake's got two brushes built in. One side is thicker to dry the barrel inside, and the cool feature about it is you can connect the ends of bore snake, so it works like a loop. So we move it on a few times Oh. And that's it. Oh, one time more. Check. It's clean. Okay, so the barrel is clean. We need to preserve it with the car spray. So, like with the rest of the weapon, we just spray it all over. Also inside. And it's supposed to be clean. So, we can dry it out with our bore snake. One time, that's enough. And it's ready. Also, we need to preserve the thread. And for that, we're gonna use our graphite spray. We just take it and spray a little bit on the thread. Okay, so we spray it and we move it back and forward a few times so the graphite spray gets all over the whole thread. And it's ready. So now the gun is clean, it's protected with the car spray. The third part is to lubricate the moving parts, and for that we're gonna use the CLP oil. So we put it on moving parts here where the scratches are, just a few drops. We don't use it too much because that could make the gun jams. So like that. And reassemble the gun. That's it. Spring. Oh, come on. Oh, that's it. And on the rails, 1, 2 drop, and that's it. Now, we need to reload it a few times so the oil gets all over the rails. And we need to make the final touch. As you can see, the gun is covered with the car spray and we need to remove it. Of course, it's gonna leave a thin layer of the car spray because that's Teflon. It sticks to the metal, to polymers, plastic, whatever. But we can remove it with the polishing towel. It's gonna give a gun a beautiful look, like a new weapon. Ta-da! That's it. Gun is ready in a few minutes. It's clean, it's look beautiful, it's dry. You can carry it in a holster and you won't get any stains. That's not covered with oil. It's covered with Teflon, so it's protected. It's hydrophobic. It doesn't give you any stains on a t-shirt or whatever. For daily carry, it's perfect.
Hey, Mateusz! Hey, what the hell
Hi.
are you doing? You should work!
No,
Go back
it's
to
already-
work! Come on, go back to work! You do nothing as usual.
Okay, okay.
Jesus Christ with these lazy employers. So, guys, as you saw, it was fast and easy. So I'm not exhausted at all. So it's a perfect way to keep your gun clean and preserved. Take care. Bye. Hi.